I'm going to try to use my telekinetic powers to get this can off the ground. We've done it twice now. I am Magic Monty Reed, and we are attempting the third time ever in history the levitation of the Mitra Kava drink. This is the carbonated lemonade Kava drink. A lot of people are using this to reduce their alcohol consumption. It gives you a calming, relaxing sensation. One of those energy drinks might give you wings, but the Mitra Kava drink can help you fly. There we go. So there we go, everybody. That is the third attempt ever at getting a soda can to float, to levitate. So again, thank you, everybody. Get yourself some of the Mitra Kava drink. You can click on the link to buy yours today. It's in the TikTok shop in my showcase. And if you enjoyed the magic that you saw today, feel free to send a star or a rose. TikTok would love you to send me a diamond flight, which is 18,000 coins, or an airplane, 6,000 coins. The TikTok universe would be really fun right now, and that's 44,999 coins. There's a thing called a Gold Coast, but I haven't seen it. But I'm happy to just get a rose for one single coin, or finger heart for 5, heart puff for 1, fest, burst, tiny Diny is 10 coins. But any one of those gifts is appreciated. And if you can't give gifts, that's fine. Just enjoy and like, subscribe, tell other people about it, and join us for the next live. Because of you all watching, I've had over 1 million views in 28 days. Make the can float. Oh man, I wish I could do that. That would be really, really fun if I could do that. I think if the can was empty, I might be able to. I'm trying to make this can lighter and see if we can make it float. I gotta get some good static charge. I don't know if I can get a static charge on a can. The dollar bill float. Okay, so we got the dollar bill to float. We'll try to charge up the can. Then we take the $5 bill. See if we can get that to float. There we go. Got the $5 bill floating. Okay. Okay, let's see. Can we make a $10 bill float? We got it. The astronauts can do this in space. They can make it float for days, but they have to be in space for it to work. I don't know. I don't know if it's possible, but we're gonna try. Let's see if we can get it to move. Can you see the can? Yeah. E.T. Bloom, I hope you're still on here. I've never tried to make a can float before. We're getting it to move just a little bit. I don't know if we can get it to actually float. This will be fun. I'm going to have to add this to the show. Trying to get it to not fly across the room. Telekinesis can be so dangerous with metal items. I've I've never done this before, folks. Takes a little bit of power and concentration. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you, E.T. E.T. Bloom. You said, make the can float, so there we go. All right, a little bit of telekinesis is also fun. Thank you so much. Yes, thanks for letting me know that you could see that. If you enjoy this, you can send gifts. That helps me to continue to do these lives. And we're going to try that one more time. So one of the cool things about working in the research lab at NASA was finding out about the magic mind-body connection, where you have nerve conduction. There's also magnetic fields, and objects can be affected by those magnetic fields. Static electricity has a magnetic field. So the magnetic field through my fingertips can make stuff move and levitate. This is the second time I've ever made a can levitate. And it was because of a request here on a live. We're reviewing the Mitra Kava drink. This is the carbonated lemonade. Get some today, you can have some magic powers of your own. So there you go. That is the Mitra. I can't guarantee it'll give you magic powers, but I can guarantee it'll make you feel magic. So click on that, buy some of those, and thanks again, everybody, for watching the TikTok live. Yeah. Thanks again for coming on the live, and if you enjoy that, you can send gifts, or you can just click on the showcase and buy. Get yourself some of the Mitra sparkling lemonade. There's a energy drink that gives you wings, but the Mitra can make you feel magical and maybe even help you to levitate some stuff. They really like to see you sending me gifts. They have challenged me to get a TikTok universe, but you know, I appreciate even just a rose or a pepper. Those are awesome. That's the bottom, the simplest one for anyone to give. It's worth a penny. And the pandas are worth about 7 cents. The TikTok universe is worth $562. Now, I usually charge $1,200 for a magic show, and I'm really excited about being able to do these live TikTok magic shows for you. I was challenged by E.T. Bloom for the first time ever to make a can float. I've never done that before. It was really fun. So I'll have to do a clip of this, but we just sampled the Mitra Kava drink. Never tried this particular one before. It's really delicious. For a carbonated beverage, that's pretty good. And but I can't wait to put these in the fridge. Oh, thank you so much, E.T. Bloom. Thanks for letting me know. And I want to thank E.T. Bloom for asking me to levitate the can, because that's now going to become part of my show.